Hello, what's up everyone? Um, as you always know, we are doing video vlogs for the BRZ in 86. Sorry, the FRS. Yeah, they're all the same. Anyways, so on today, we are working on the upper brake light. I've already started the work. I've removed this part, the, no- the brake, the normal brake light, the OEM. So we're using the wires from this one to connect the LED red, the red LED lights, and we will fit it on top, and it will be looking much more better than before. So yeah, we will show you the results and everything, and we will do the wiring and all, and we will connect it with the previous plug and play harness. We'll just modify the wires. So yeah, what we're doing here, as you guys can see, we've got the testers, the bar itself. So this is the one where we will be installing inside the car, and we will be using the plug and play harness, the one you're seeing in the middle. And I've got the wire that I was working on is this one. I pulled it out from the OEM brake light, so I've cut it, the crimped part of it, only the 12 volt, but the ground I haven't even crimped it yet. Anyways, so I will rewire these two, and then so yeah, we are stripping the wire because we don't have the wire stripper. I lost my wire stripper, but yeah, we've got strippers here. I mean the wire stripper, manual wire stripper. So yeah, we will be wiring this. We'll give it a check, test it out. How's everything? If it's perfect, then we're go. If we're not perfect, we're not go. We cannot go. I need to measure these two at the same size. Yeah, there is some drift event. Alright, so we've already completed installing the LED strip bar, LED strip bar, whatever it's called, anyways. So this is how we've run the wires with with the cable ties. Anyways, so from inside the wires are running inside the interior panel. It's kind of dusty, and it's running all the way to the back and goes with the stock mount for the brake light. And we will give it a test. علي تعال نمسك بريك شوية. So this is how it looks when he's given a brake. شغل stop. Alright, just give it a time. Alright, so this is how it actually looks when applying the brakes. What the brake? Brake! Yeah, this is how it looks. Very nice. I like it. So as we've completed installing the lights, we've encountered this FRS, my friend's FRS. He came here to hang out with us, and we will be taking some videos for Instagram, and I'll be posting it also with this vlog. And yeah, we'll take it for a spin, take some rolling shots and some parked shots as well, and make a good professional video. So this vehicle, it actually has the power stop discs with pads, and the RPF ones, it's only running bolt-ons, intake and full exhaust system, an electronic one, and the car looks very nice, very responsive, good for a daily drive. That's the setup, the current setup on the car. So yeah, it has the VLAN headlights and tail lights, some aero. I actually don't know what do they call these things, but it actually looks very nice, the cut and everything, how it's placed, and then yeah, very nice. I like it. Just very simple setup. Lights, wheels, brakes, and bolt-ons, tune. That's it.